Well, PC is a saturated market. When you think about the PC market, 250 million units a year, grows probably low single digit. So it's not that exciting compared to some of the other stuff that they've been doing on the server side and the data center side, and the numbers would pale in comparison. I think where they're going with this is they think the physical AI would be a much bigger opportunity. Now, when I say physical AI, it's your robotics, your humanoids, and that kind of stuff. And you're not going to be able to do that just by focusing on the server and the data center market. So they really want to expand into other areas to build that ecosystem where they have, a PC footprint, and they just don't want to be the chip provider anymore. That's been NVIDIA's key strategy over the past few years is they will give you all in terms of the CUDA software, stuff on the networking side, rather than just being confined to being a GPU provider. And that's where they're going with this is, look, you guys can run agentic AI on our PCs. Now, granted, their market share would be, low single digit. I don't expect it to really take off and displace Intel or AMD. But what they're trying to prove is the concept that in theory, we can have our own PC, and that is what will position us well for that robotics.
If we choose to go down that road.
Yeah.
The strategy guy who advised Jensen Huang to do this, he'll be out of a job in 12 months, I guarantee it. This is a dumb
Why?
move. This PCs, that's like some 1980s, dude. I mean, I'm an AI company. I just want the AI aura. That's all I want. I don't need to be making anything. I don't want people touching my product. I just want to be the AI company. That is what's got NVIDIA to where it is now, I would argue.
It has, but look at what they've done on the server side. Server wasn't a very fast-growing market. Suddenly, everyone wants to be in the server market. Why? Because the nature of compute has changed with AI workloads. And with agentic AI, we're talking about a very different type of compute than what we are used to seeing on our desktops and laptops. And so from that perspective, if the new interface for agentic AI is conversational and a lot of stuff happens in the background with an agent, then clearly your old PC is not good enough for that.
See, Mandeep just doesn't have the technology chops that I do. I can think way out in advance, and yes. I don't want to be with
you
the
are
PC,
the tech guru,
exactly.
Paul Sweeney, clearly. Mandeep, put into context for us another headline we got on NVIDIA, which is, it says Anthropic, OpenAI, and SpaceX are among the first big users of this upcoming microprocessor called Vera CPUs in their data centers. What is this about, and how does this fit in with the broader strategy?
Yeah, so Vera Rubin, as you know, is their new architecture after Blackwell, what they currently have, and they talked about ramping it to full production in fall. And as part of that, they're really touting, the CPU portion of that Vera system that has got, GPUs, networking, and everything in terms of an optimized system infrastructure. So they are saying our CPU, which works very well in this system integrated architecture, will help you deploy agentic AI. And the reason why that stress on CPU is because with agentic AI, the shift from chatbots to agentic AI, the importance of CPU has grown. So they think CPU is a big market, and it's an important part of that agentic architecture, and hence why the stress on CPUs.
So Blackwell is the current most advanced AI chip. Vera is the next generation
That's
one.
right.
Okay,
That's
got
right.
it.